Rob Fraser here's video. First video post Nico. We accidentally lost our bird and been kind of having some issues dealing with that. So first time doing a video is kind of surreal. Don't have the annoying squeaks and stuff in the background. Don't have the bird cage covered in the background, but it is what it is. Life has to go on, and so we will go on. So want to talk about Ad Click Xpress and their video packs. So basically, Ad Click Xpress is one of those programs, been around for years. It's been called a few different things over the past. Been around since like Just Been Paid days, and this was like, I don't know, maybe like 7, 8, 10 years, I don't know. Basically a long time. I was a member of Just Been Paid, been a member of Profit Clicking, then it got sold off, and then they had a few different rebrandings, and now here it is. But one thing I will say is when I did buy the Prime advertising through Ad Click Xpress, I would get at least 90 to 150 leads a month from this platform, and those people would sign up for programs. So it is a viable place to get traffic. I don't look at it as a a lot of people get in these passive opportunities and they think they can just put money in and get money out. And with all of these platforms, it's not the case. You buy advertising, then after you buy the advertising, the money's gone. And then if the company makes a profit, they'll share their profit with you. But people don't get that. They think, oh, I can just put money in, get money out. And so you got dumbasses like that. Pardon my French, are probably going to be a little bit more, R-rated with my language because I'm still dealing with some issues because of me missing my annoying bird, but it is what it is. But, so anyway, we got these video packs. I actually like it. Basically, you can join Ad Click Xpress for free, and I'm going to have a link below this video. You can create your free account. And the way I use it is whenever I make a YouTube video or whenever I make a TikTok video, I submit it to this database. So basically what they're trying to do is have a lot of videos within this platform bringing the whole platform traffic. It's like a review site. So like you see a lot of affiliate marketers, they make reviews about every single program out there under the sun. They're doing that to get traffic, which is what it is. And so Ad Click Xpress has the thing with these video packs. Basically, you submit either TikTok or YouTube videos to this platform, and I'll kind of show you what it looks like, and they'll pay you for doing so. So anywhere up to 25 cents. I did 2 videos this morning, got 10 cents a video. It's nothing because I already do YouTube videos in either case, and this video that I'm filming right now, I'm going to submit it. But that's basically how it works. You take the video URL, you submit it here, you get paid a little bit. You buy video packs. I think the video packs are like $5. Then based off of the revenue sharing aspect, they'll share. Whenever you have $10, you can withdraw the cash. And I've withdrawn the cash, and it hit my Bitcoin wallet. So basically, this right here is the back office. I'm going to just go ahead and click on here, get paid to view short videos. The platform is kind of beefy. There is a learning curve, but just doing the video packs and submitting the videos, like, why not? Why not just, if you are already uploading YouTube videos or if you're already doing TikTok, just create a free account here. Might get 5, 10 cents, up to 25 cents, but expect it to be around 5 or 10 cents per video. But that's more than what you're getting paid now if you're not monetized on YouTube, and if you're not monetized on TikTok. I think TikTok you have to have like 1,000 followers before you can even, it's based on views. Like thousands of views, you get some money. YouTube, same idea. But here, you just take your URL of your video, and you submit it here to Ad Click Xpress, and just by doing that, you can get paid a little bit of a kickback. And the page here talks about it. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and click it just so you can kind of see what it looks like here. But it's very simple. You buy video packs, which is like $5. You could submit URLs. You can join for free, submit your YouTube URLs here for free, and earn that way. And obviously, by getting referrals and other people to do the same. So, very simple. The whole thing is, have you seen our advertising, earn money by watching videos? Basically, when we submit these videos, it gets more people here on this site, more traffic to this site, and so the better that the whole Ad Click Xpress site does. And that's what it is, and it makes a lot of sense. It's like very similar to Leads Leap, and how they have a section to where you write reviews on other companies on the Leads Leap platform. And this gets traffic from the search engines. People on the site are writing reviews about the different businesses they're in. Their links go out. It's like a big rotator, and it just all starts ballooning and growing on itself. And that's the same thing these guys are doing here. So I suggest giving it a shot. Very, very simple. This right here is some of the videos, and it doesn't have to be BizOp stuff. I've seen like music videos, Beverly Hills episodes, just all sorts of different random crap, Married with Children episode, like just all sorts of different stuff. And all you have to do is when you submit the video, you have a tag, like you know, if it's a affiliate marketing video, is it a review video on a certain company? Whatever the case may be, very simple. You come down here, you click on the little plus sign, you get it. TikTok or YouTube, URL, title, search tags. Is it adult content? Are they cursing? Don't submit porn. I mean, you know, that will take this thing a whole nother direction. Probably get a lot of traffic, but not the right type of traffic. What language? You enter the PIN code, you hit submit video, and it's just that simple. You do that, boom, you got anywhere from 5 to 25 cents in your account, and there's no limit to the amount of videos you could submit. So why not, if you're already doing YouTube marketing or TikTok, just take your links, throw them in Ad Click Xpress, and get a little kickback. And then you refer other people to do the same, people buy some video packs, you get a little bit more money here, and off to the races. So any which ways, wrapping this video up, the link to create your free account to Ad Click Xpress will be below. Still missing Nico. Name's Rob Fraser. Link is in the description. We'll see you in the next video.